Alright guys, I'm going to show you real quick how to swipe copy. And what does that mean? It just means that every day there's a leader, Tony Rush, Ann Rashkin, somebody that's putting out an email message that is basically broadcasting to everyone what event is going on that evening, or maybe a message to that links back to the Empower Network blog site to get them to look at your website, things like that. So what you're seeing here on the left, I've got three windows open. You can see here I've got on my left, I've got my Aweber open. In the middle, I've got my email program open. On the right, I've got PhotoBucket, and I'll show you what I use that for in just a minute. So anyway, first thing you do is real quick, you log into your account. So I'm logging into my account here, and very simple, you go to Messages, Broadcasts, and the internet was a little slow, and you can actually create a broadcast. If you hit this button, which is fine if you want to use their template manager, it takes you into this WYSIWYG template manager, which actually is not conducive to simply copying and pasting emails. So here's what we do. Go back to Messages, you hit Broadcasts. I'm going to leave that page. And here's what you do. You type in the broadcast page. You simply come up here to the top line. You hit a slash and then ADD for add. That takes you to the broadcast creator version number 1. And now what you do is you come over here to your email address, and this one is coming directly from Aaron Rashkin. So I am going to go ahead and copy everything down to his last sentence down here. I'm going to right click on it, hit copy. I'm going to right click here and hit paste. That's basically it. I'm going to do the same thing down here for the text portion of the message. So keeping this other window open, what I'm going to do is it basically says, after 2 weeks of straight travel, most awesome events we've ever done, personal transformations, income transformations, people all over the world. After being empowered in a new way, tonight we're going to help you unleash your blog beast. Laying out the blogging formula has now led to more than 70 million people, blah, blah, blah. And here's what you need to look for, these links. Okay, so I'm going to find the same link in my email. I'm actually going to right click on it. I'm making a recording at the same time I'm doing this so I can train people how to do it. I'm going to go open the link in a new window, and if you notice at the top of this window, it says blogbeast.com/redemption/ID equals A-Rashkin. I'm going to change the A-Rashkin to our ID, which will just change it to your ID. If you hit enter, you'll see it comes up to the exact same page, but now that's how you get credit for that. Okay, so I'm going to double click this, right click on it, say copy. Then you come back over here to your link inside your email inside Aweber. You right click, you go up to this little button here that basically says insert hyperlink. It's going to bring open a window, and you triple click or whatever you need to do, highlight this whole line. You can delete it if you want, and then you basically paste the information right there, and that's it. Every one of these other links, the way Rashkin does it, let me close this other window down again. Every link that's in here, if you simply open that link in a new window, you'll see exactly where the link goes to. So this one is the backstory. So he's using a different link here, and I'm going to change the ID off of it again to BYD. I'm going to double click on it, go ahead and copy it. I can pause the video because I don't need to watch it right now. I'll close that whole thing down. And then you'll come over here to the next link. Simply come down to Aweber. Double click over there, highlight it, paste the new link in, hit apply. Same thing down here. Now you don't want to necessarily right click and open this link. You use the one in your email, which will take you to the appropriate link every time without any issues. I'm going to put the BYD in there again. You don't have to actually make it go to the page. I just do, but it doesn't really make a difference. And we're going to highlight this. Come back up here to the link. Highlight the whole thing. Hit enter. Boom, you're done. And then you can say see. Don't forget to mention that you can see our team bonuses here. So I'm going to click on the team bonuses. We'll see what that's going to. And you can now see that this is a all-in freedomteam.com/blogbeast equals a Rashkin .byd right there. And well, as a matter of fact, using the all-in team page, that basically shows you basically from that, you just, as you're putting your own ID at the end, if somebody were to come down here at the very end, say make me a beast, it goes to your ID at the very end as well. Whoops. Looks like it's logging into my sister's account. Let's get out of that. So you say make me a beast, and it's asking you to join. And if you look at the bottom, this is our ID, John and Kelly Fraser. You'll see that your ID automatically comes through, so you'll automatically get credit for that. So you can use allinteam.com on that one. Simply come over here, click the insert hyperlink, double click the whole line to highlight everything, paste in the new link, hit enter, and of course I'm not Aaron, so behind this window I happen to have my PhotoBucket library. So you can get a free account over there, and I just upload our pictures and things there. So I simply go over to my library. I'm going to view my library, and I'm going to come down to a picture of Kelly and myself. So let's say I like this one right here. The one that I use most of the time is not that. It could be the Beyond Your Dreams one. Let's go to the next page. And this is the one I like. This is the one I use almost every time. You double click here, highlight the line, hit copy. And then in this image here, I'm going to hit this button instead, which is saying open that image. Now I'm going to paste my link from PhotoBucket, the direct link, right in here. As soon as I hit enter, whoops, you'll see my image actually show up here in just a second, as soon as it does its thing. Let me open it up again. Okay, and I like using a size of about 250 pixels. And if you want to, you can do something like put a border of I don't know, 3 pixels around it, apply it, and there you go. Now there's a picture of us. Of course, I'm not Aaron, so I simply change this to John Kelly Fraser, and then instead of saying work directly with me, I'll say work directly with us. And hold on. You click here on work directly with me, you'll see it'll take you over directly to the same blog page that we had before for the video link. I'm going to change that to BYD. And again, you don't have to press enter. If you do, it does actually register the right page. You can just double click the whole line, copy it, and then close down the window. Then you come back over here, change your link, paste it in there. That's it. So that link that I just used from that other page. Now the other thing I'm going to do is for some people can only receive plain text messages, plain text emails. So what you do is everywhere that there was supposed to be a link, like if you come down here and you see Empower Networks Blog Beast, check out the bonuses you get for becoming a member today. I'm going to come down here and find the same thing, but instead, because you can't see pictures and things here, I'm going to add a little line and put the actual, whoops, wrong button. I'm going to go ahead and put the arrow and a set of lines right there so that that's a link that they can physically go to or click on inside there. Next one here is this one. See the entire 4-part movie. And I'm going to say click here instead of being on this side. I'll paste that right there. And then I'll look for the next one down, which is own a copy of the blog views today. And I'll put the same link right there. See our team bonuses here. Now I'm going to go back to the see my team bonuses here because that was a cool page. Where'd it go? Hold on. I'm going to right click back on that page again. In a new window. And there's a team page. I'm going to put BYD at the end of it. Don't forget to always put your ID at the end of any of these. Copy it. And let's see. In the meantime, get your team bonuses here. I'm going to add that back in. There you go. And then at the very bottom, I'll just copy what it says here in my upper section and put that right there. And then work directly with us. Our direct link sign to work with us is www.joinjohnandkellyfraser.com. Hello, can't spell today. Okay, and that is basically it. So then all you do is after you have copied everything in and you've changed your links, which we just did here. Let me make sure that link is correct. Logbeast Redemption, yep, that's it. Cancel that. You come down to the very bottom of your Aweber, you save your message. Oh, it says enter subject, sorry. Forgot. So right here, I'm going to copy this and paste it into here. So mine, get ready to be blown, live Wednesday night, and on a white board. So there you go. So there's the messages for getting onto the trainings and different things this evening. So I'm going to go ahead and save that at the very bottom. And it is loading, it's saving it. So there you can see right here. I'm going to delete these last two. Okay, so you can see this is ready to go. So I can either send the message now and it'll go out to entire list, or you can schedule it. So it's 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock Eastern time right now. So I'm just going to go ahead and send it immediately. It says, do you want to send it right now? You say yes. That's it. Message has now been sent. So that was one important message. The other one that was supposed to be coming out, and this is for affiliates only, there's going to be a special training and stuff, so you can basically do the exact same thing from here. But the thing is, my Aweber is marketing to the people on my list. This is going to be done on people internal. So I'm going to make another video about how to send a message to everybody on your list, and I'll do that in just a second. Okay? Take care, guys. Bye-bye.